And after the storm sliced through Sedgwick County, it blew into Augusta and El Dorado, and that's where senior reporter Mike Taylor continued the chase. He joins us now in the newsroom. Mike, you've put on some mileage tonight.
We did indeed, Larry. Photojournalist John Merritt and I ducked in behind the storm after it dropped a tornado near McConnell Air Force Base. We trailed it all the way through Andover, north of El Dorado. As the storm moved through the area, it not only dropped tornadoes, but hail. People stopped to look and tried to avoid the storm that dumped golf ball and, in some cases, softball-sized hail. It smashed out dozens of car windows in El Dorado.
Saw about softball-sized hail coming down and hitting me. I was trying to make it to cover.
Grace Whiteside was driving to safety when she got caught in the barrage.
I thought the car was getting ready to take off any time because I couldn't see out to see if there was any funnel clouds. And I was doing well over the speed limit, trying to make it to safety, and I got there. That's all I can say. I was scared. I thought I was going to die.
There are lots of cars at Butler County Junior College with shattered glass that had to be cleaned up and covered.
No, we're going to have to take two of them.
Carlos Nevins collected a cooler full of hailstones.
It was something. I ain't never seen nothing like it, for real. I was scared. I really was.
The storm moved through El Dorado about as quickly as it moved in, but it left behind broken limbs and lots of broken glass. Now, Larry, there are no injuries in El Dorado or Augusta that we know of. The one thing we do know is that glass companies are going to be very busy for the next few days.
The high winds this evening were another one of Mother Nature's weapons, and again, much of the area was also pelted by damaging hail. Some of it fell in the Joyland area near 31st Street South and Hillside. When the storm had passed, some of the neighbor kids there gathered the largest hailstones and brought them here to KTV to show them off. Many were much larger than golf ball size. The biggest measured almost 11 inches in diameter.
And there will be stories tomorrow about damaging weapons, in particular, hail. We've had some reports of hail the size of softballs. These folks in southeast Wichita had hail measuring 13 inches in diameter. Hail like that is bound to cause a lot of damage. Just look at the roof of Paul Harris's in the Cottonwood Grove Mobile Home Park.
See, that hole's over 4.5 inches wide. Went right down through there and hit the light socket bracket right down underneath.
Otherwise, that hail would have gone right on into his home. There will be a lot of roofs and cars needing repair because of that hail.
Well, they must have been absolutely pounded over here. This is in South El Dorado. This stuff is huge. Softball size hail.
There's some out there.
Bigger? Good God. Bigger than these?
Out there where you were last 3 weeks ago?
Jeez. That's a windshield killer.
Well, he just went out there and turned around and come back.
Strange. We'll get a couple of minutes on that if we have clouds in the day. Goddamn big hail. We're not going to have a tornado here now. You see it fall?
No, we were sitting out there when you pulled up.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm just as glad as to not have gotten in this stuff.
Well, we left out there that trailer park. Come in there to Seymour and started there. We went ahead and come on out south.
There's some interesting funnels back there. Almost done. Get hit by one of those spikes. Okay, why don't we get some of it? Bring that baby on over here, please, your hand. There you go.
I ain't seen nothing like this. Oh,
I saw some baseball size last year in Texas, but it wasn't that big.
yeah, I can't believe.
Whoops.
Well, that one was
That's nice.
we quick trip down on the other. Down 6 to 9. Oh.
Good grief.
Got one you got.
This one's bigger than that lady's hand. It's almost as big as mine.
Go ahead and bring it on over here. A little further back. Okay, stay right there. Lift them up about 6 inches. Yeah, that's good. They're huge.
Humongous suckers. Now, I've never seen hail this
Neither have I.
Look at the line in there.
And that's solid rock.
That one's got layers in it.
He's still filming.
Oh, I'm
There you go, that's all right. That's amazing. They keep telling me I should bring a cooler with dry ice in it.
I guess the hospital, the front yard, that lady just came from there, and she said it was covered with
That?
with tennis ball size hail.
Good grief.
About 6 blocks.
Go down here to the big Main and Central, and it's that way,
It's which way?
west. I guess she said you couldn't even see the grass. It was just